Hi everyone, welcome to Dad's RC Workbench. I just wanted to review this Sequre SQ-001 65 watt soldering iron I was sent for review directly from securemall.com. It took me about 13 days from order to be delivered. So let's open it up and we'll show you some features. Looks like it has good packaging, bubble wrapped, strong box. So here's the Sequre SQ-001 small soldering iron. I was able to pick the tip. I got the TSB2, which I thought was a kind of general all-around tip for small wires and big wires. Sequre Mall, their website was easy to navigate and to buy through PayPal. Also, the team over at Sequre was also easy to contact to pick the tip that I wanted. This is a great little soldering iron. I'm looking forward to using it out in the field or just around on the workbench. I have a Ryobi soldering iron, the 18 volt station, and it is huge, so this will be a nice add-on to my workbench. I'm going to put this to the side. Comes with the base with a SMT32 chip that regulates all the heat and the screen and everything. Comes with this tip, and you can buy more tips on their website, which I'll probably do in the future. Looking forward to getting probably a bigger tip for big motor wires, even bigger than this motor you see here. It just comes, slide it in, it comes with a, tighten down this metric grub screw right here. Comes with looks like 2 buttons. The input voltage, you can see that, is a range between 12 and 24 volts. It comes with a jack. Let me put that to the side here. So it comes with a jack with an XT60 on it, so you can hook it into a battery, which I have. It's like an RC car battery, or you can hook it directly into like a laptop power supply. It's nice that they sent some stickers. They sent a manual. Sent a couple more screws, and they also were nice enough to send a little hex driver to tighten down the screw, the grub screw. They also sent a special instructions card, a nice static proof bag. Also forgot to tell you that it comes with looks like a USB-C, and I believe that is to you can update the little computer that runs. Just wanted to show you the error I got because I didn't seat the tip all the way flush with the body. This sent error I saw on the screen. Alright, so plugged it back in. I was getting an error. I didn't have the tip all the way seated into the body. Now it's heating up. It's heating up quite quick. The factory default temperature is 300 Celsius. So it went from whatever it was, 25 to 300. Quite fast. I just wanted to show you this chart here that they have in the booklet and the instruction manual on the different ranges of your input voltages, and then how fast, based on your input voltage and your amperage, how fast it would heat up. That's crazy. 12 volts, 40 seconds. I thought that was quick. get it up. Obviously, the max at 24 volts, it'll take 11 seconds. That's amazing for such a small little unit. I have some small gauge wire and some large gauge wire over here for the motor. So let me try out doing this. I'm going to turn on the fan. Hopefully it's not too loud on video. Hopefully you can hear me over it. And just tin it. Oh yeah, that tins nicely. First one is ground. Now these are already pre-tinned, these wires. Get these in focus. So, and these are already tinned from just me taking them off. Yeah, that does the trick right there. So this is a Circuit Playground Express that I got from Adafruit. Just hooking up the power, ground, and signal wire to it. And I haven't changed. It's at 300 degrees Celsius. It's flowing the solder very easily. And there we go. Did a nice job reflowing the solder. Put this away. And I will try out doing some motor wires. This is I would say it's like a 540 motor, generally speaking. This is from a printer, but you can, this would be good for brushed RC motor. There we go. That was quite easy. Let's do the negative wire, ground. Flowing the solder, the pre-tin solder, very well. Pressing down to get a good connection. And still haven't cranked up the heat. Looks like it could get up to 400 degrees Celsius. And there you go. Solder on these motor wires and with the crimps on them. So I have this 3S LiPo that I run in my RC crawlers. It's 11.1 volts, but fully charged it's around 12. And this is 3000 milliamps or 3 amps. So I plugged in the LiPo battery and it charged up to 300 degrees Celsius real quick. As you can see, it's plugged in. There you go. Prove that. And now I have mobile power. So I have a white LED, 5mm LED right there. I'm going to solder it onto the wire. Say you broke a light out in the field, part of your truck, your drone, ham radio stuff, whatever, out in the field. This comes in handy. So 3 in it. Like I said, 12 volts and to 24 volts. So you just hook up corresponding battery. Let me just solder this on right now. Let me tin it. Solder flows real nice. And done. Just showing this without shrink wrap. Like I said, it's a 5mm LED bulb, just like a headlight, and it soldered it real nice and real quick. Good mechanical connection to the wire. Just fixed my headlight out in the field. So overall, I think this Sequre SQ-001 is a great buy for $50 straight from them, straight from SequreMall.com. You can get it blue or black, 65 watts, 12 to 24 volts input. I think it would be great for drones, FPV, RC, any kind of radio out in the field, even scaled trains, Arduino stuff, or robots. It took 13 days from order to delivery directly from them from Shenzhen, China. I got the tip I got was the TS B2. This is the tip right here. Has interchangeable tips. Like I said before, you can get them on their website. It's a great buy. I really can't stress that enough. It feels great in the hand. It heats up quick. It cools down quick. You have two different inputs on your workbench or out in the field. I am extremely happy with this. I think this will be my go-to soldering iron from now on, both on the workbench and out in the field. Thanks Sequre for sending me this for review, and thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.